मुझे राफे और मानी में डिफरेंस ही पता चलेगा।
नाम आपको ये देख गांधी और हिलियर को बोलना पड़ेगा।
I have a ninja mask. I think that's a giveaway.
वो मेरे लिए किसी ने कुछ भी नहीं पहना हुआ है।
That was fast. Wow, that was fast. What the?
Well, damn, son.
Oh my.
Wait, no, I refuse to believe that nobody has an evidence. Wait, who's anti-Sim?
मेरी बात सुनो। मुस्तफा और राफे।
एक सबादू जी
I just
I think
crossed weapons to do
Yes.
my task.
No way, it's
Literally
I died.
I was in weapons
dead body report
doing
here.
download task.
I died.
बॉडी थी कहाँ पे?
बॉडी बिल्कुल सेंटर में जहाँ पे टेबल नहीं होती टेबल के लेफ्ट साइड पे।
How did you
नहीं एक है देखो जब एक है जो सेंटर में सब छोड़े थे तो पीछे से साइड रहता था।
बस देखो मैं हम लोग जैसे लीव किए देखो मेरे राइट पे गए मैं मुस्तफा राफे वहाँ पे ऊपर उसकी तरफ।
साइड तुमने किसी को देखा था?
I don't think साइड में किसी प्लेस साइड में हमजा पे ही है बस और तो हो नहीं सकते दो ही बंदे रह गए यहाँ पे।
नहीं देखो मैं पहले निकला हूँ मेरे पीछे साइब आया ठीक है वो अभी सेंटर से बाद में निकला मैं उससे पहले सेंटर से निकल चुका था मैं इलेक्ट्रिकल में पहुंच भी गया हूँ। टू वेंट टू द राइट वो कौन से राइट गए थे?
मैं
मुस्तफा और राफे।
हाँ
क्या राइट एंड सॉफ्ट कलर्स व्हाट द फक
मैंने देखा
मैं हाफ के भी बचल से टास्क के पास ऑलरेडी ये डेड बॉडी वो ठीक है
या तो साइड में आता हमजा एक बस वो।
what do we do?
I was the first one to leave then Sai followed me so I couldn't kill anyone.
Damn boys.
वो अब सोच जितना लेट हमने वोट ही नहीं
Wait.
किया।
Let me grab my Ouija board. Ivan, if you can hear me beyond the grave, explain how you feel about dying again.
I feel humiliated. I feel violated. I will have my revenge on the imposter. On all of the imposters, I will have my revenge.
दादाजी मुझे ये बताया was it the Germans or not?
It's always a German.
I can neither confirm nor deny.
Dude, who just left the body? Ilya Cube, damn, why did you kill in front of me, Ilya Cube?
No.
I came from electrical and went to reactor. What are you talking about that I killed someone?
You can say anything you
I don't even know where the fuck the body is.
Look, it's always like Germans.
No.
Why? But
I
why
came out
do you
of
kill in the
electrical.
hallway? Why kill someone in a hallway? Why?
Which hallway was it?
Any room.
Which hallway?
ठीक है. If you didn't see the body, if you went to electrical, right? There was a body in the hallway of electrical. Oh my God! You
I went to the left, okay?
You can say anything you can say anything you want.
Vote me, then Hamza.
Okay, then you can vote me. I'm happy.
Let's play like that.
Damn, we're
Actually,
about to-
wait a sec. Well, that's fine.
Wait.
Let's just hope this doesn't go back.
We're about to get fucked. No, we're about to get fucked. No.
मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था वॉइस से तो I didn't know what.
What the fuck?
Hey, look at that. Well then, I guess
shit.
Hamza's dead and we lose.
Well,
Okay, I'm out and I'm not the imposter and we lost the game.
ये क्वेश्चन मार्क कौन है?
That would be Hamza, I assume.
Stay together. Okay, we one have to die. It's okay. You can kill anyone you want.
तुम तीन लोग थे ना तुम मुस्तफा साहब।
Can we agree that this is Hamza's fault?
Yeah,
Yes.
but you saw. I thought you killed him, na yaar. See, you were in the hallway, okay, and I thought you killed him.
Okay.
Oh my God.
मैंने को अभी
लिटरली जैसे ही मैंने किया और था गेम खत्म हो गई है। मैं क्या करता?
सामने वेंट किए मानी के
मैं जैसे ही तो बाय साथ ही गेम खत्म हो गई। What the fuck?
Ooh,
See,
they
Balya,
came
Cubit
good
wasn't
like
to me.
you.
bullshit
Well, true. But you were suspecting me like crazy, so of course I'm
Yeah,
gonna
there was
vote for
body.
you.
There was a body just near you. You didn't report
Okay,
the
I
body. That
did
was
not
very
see
sus.
anybody near me at all.
That's
Okay, in
why.
my
Nah,
defense,
I thought you didn't report the body and you killed him.
I didn't even bloody notice the body.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
simping is bad for your health
Uh,
and your pockets apparently
It works. Here
Ah.
we
Why
go.
do you always start with the emergency button popped out?
I've been in the
Let's
gym already it's actually very sus
turn off the electrical lights. Shall we?
and the lights are out again.
I wonder who did it
Let's kill this guy.
Good question. I should probably be not the first one going in that room. What's the worst that can happen to me?
you could kill someone
Let's
wait what
close off some doors.
Noxious as clock game.
And then let's
इलेक्ट्रिक वॉइस इलेक्ट्रिक के दरवाजे बंद हो गए थे अभी और साइड
Meltdown.
also no brother साइड दरवाजे के बिल्कुल बैठ रहा
Bashir, you can't without pressing the emergency button. If you have to discuss, if you have to discuss, just call the emergency button.
इमरजेंसी भी नहीं कर सकती रिएक्टर के वेट करना पड़ता
So don't discuss now before that.
है साइड में बहुत सा सरगर्मी है ठीक है इलेक्ट्रिक के बैठ खड़ा है
Well, I was doing my what's it called?
I mean
Same thing where you have to press the button in electrical.
ठीक है
I mean, मैं और राफे इलेक्ट्रिकल के टॉप पोर्शन में जहाँ पे वेंट होता है उसके
Yes.
लिटरली सामने वो कर रहे थे और उसकी विजन में तो मेरा दरवाजा नहीं था, so I can't say for sure.
मैं नीचे मैं बैठ के
मेरे दरवाजा मेरी उसमें स्क्रीन में नजर ही नहीं आ रहा था कि बंद था या नहीं था.
I mean that's what I thought ठीक है दरवाजा तो कहीं से भी बंद हो
Look
सकता
at
है
these
so
two.
like that I was
I think Saip had a kill cooldown.
so
Are you
literally
going to talk about how there's one person dead
क्या
and you have no idea where the body is?
Ah, yes. He definitely had a kill cooldown. He couldn't kill Hamad.
मतलब bro
Oh!
अगर
I skip vote. This is pretty damn risky.
मैंने गलती से दादाजी को वोट कर दिया
Not
fuck? I am very sus. I'm very sus.
This is good drama for your video.
गलती फिंगर नीचे लेके आ रहा था bro just chill out
Alright. We gonna first close off some doors. Right. Medway electrical cafeteria storage. We're gonna close
Of
all
course,
those
it's on
doors
the other
now.
side of the map.
oh okay
Well then, the door is closed again. And okay, this is not suspicious. I'm not having a panic attack.
Well, what the fuck?
Damn.
Yeah, both doors closed on us. And that's fucking suspicious.
And why was everybody literally just standing in the hallway while I was doing a task?
Good question. Okay, are we gonna fix that light? Because I'm currently on the opposite end of the map.
I mean I just did and I'm locked in electrical so
No, I gotta go exact opposite of the... what is it?
Electrical is locked.
I'm खुल गया
Not suspicious. Okay.
Well, this leaves ऐसे इबादू जी की बात खत्म होगी. इबादू जी A साथ मतलब कोई
Let's go back. Let's go back for a second. Rafe, where were you when you said we needed to fix the lights?
I was near what's it called? The navigation top right, the room navigation set called doing
Yeah, yeah.
electrical wire.
Okay.
I saw him.
Wait a minute. Rafe was in navigations. I just came
Far
from
right.
Shields. I just came from Shields, and Bashir was talking about electrical being closed, and it was closed. I just saw she coming out. The only person that wasn't there was the Batuji.
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ
Like,
ना,
I just
Rafe, do you back this?
saw Rafe. I just saw Yakub. He
I
was
was
in
busy
there.
doing electrical. I have no idea who was standing near me.
I saw you.
No, I
just
was doing electrical.
It has to be. It has to be Batuji.
No.
This is true.
Wait.
I think it's Hamad. Because he was being
I
silent.
found his body
And inside
literally
vodka.
outside of cafeteria while I walked out of electrical in front of Ahmad.
No. It's
Dad?
not me.
You man.
If I wanted to kill,
The problem if it's not a man, we're gonna be in deep shit. Mustafa?
I think it's Hamad. It's not me. I was just मैं राफी के साथ खड़ा हुआ था. Oh
Well,
damn.
that works.
Fuck.
What's happening?
Tommy, we went together. What the fuck? We're meeting in fucking about ASAP.
Good. We're all saying yes. Yeah, no, there's nothing that can be done in this second. 21st second.
I wonder who did them.
Yeah, we should probably do that or not.
Fucking Mustafa,
13 seconds.
bro.
Yeah, let's go. Three people.
We'll take
We will know if someone's the murderer. 2 up and 2 down.
Right.
Okay.
I need to do this
And
outside of security.
Oi, do that anti-sim! Motherfucker!
Why so dumb?
Easy. Easiest.
I am the only
Rafi, just think about this for a second. Yes, Hamad could use the vent, but why would Hamad lock himself in electrical?
I just told you.
I don't know.
Like, think about it.
Oh my God, Salman, what did you do?
After I told you Ibad did electrical and he came up behind you so he could fucking kill you.
This is the same community of Germans that voted for Adolf Hitler.
Yeah, it is a German, they hate like.
They love seeing people killed. It's in their history.
They wanted to see people die with a meltdown, with a nuclear kaboom.
Oh my god. No.
Start the game.
That's how you play the imposter.
It would have been better.
हमारे चौकीदार एक ही काम होता है.
असल में इमीडिएट मुझे शक था और आई कैन बिलीव राफी को अपनी पोजीशन पता थी. हमाद ने अपनी बोली और मैंने अपनी बोली एंड आई क्रॉस पाथ बिटवीन हमाद.
मुझे पता था कि ये नहीं सामने से
Dude, I thought you kicked out Bad and I was so happy and I found out a German.
नहीं, but I saw Rafe and he saw me.
That was my fault.
German stuck.
Yes, very much. Oh well, speaking of, Hey! This just seem familiar, right?
It does, doesn't it?
I'm taking bottom.
Alright, I'll go top. Alright, we good. We good. I am unsus of Ilya Cube for now. What you doing standing there? This is very
वो आंखें बनना बंद करेगा
okay. No, that's a task you
What?
can actually do right there.
मैं कह रहा हूँ बाजार निकाल लिया आंखें बंद के
मुझे चूंटी काट गई है.
तुम चूटी काटी है
Shooting guard.
Electrical doors are closed and anti-sim. Okay.
Whoa,
What the fuck?
bhai, you're not supposed to speak. Even if I killed you, you're not allowed to speak. Doesn't matter if the doors are closed.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, dead body.
Okay. Explain.
ये बात कितने मिली तुम बॉडी
I was moto. I saw him went. I was in
What?
this, security. I saw you went.
who do you say
Who did? Who vented? Who vented?
Moto.
Right
I
now,
know it
I'm
was
in
someone with a light color, and it was either Sype or Moto. It's
Okay,
Moto.
let's.
Cause the other guy's dead.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
I
possible
am
to
not
win.
too. I couldn't have done
Also,
that.
as soon as I
seriously,
finished
I'm
my
not
task,
too, right?
electrical doors were closed and Ibad just entered वो electrical as soon as I finished my task.
Yeah, and I could have killed you, but I didn't.
So,
Also, you're not allowed to speak.
Not much of
We
a
agree on a
defense,
vote or
though.
not?
Yeah, I think.
देखो मैं दूसरा के साथ था मानी तुम देख लिया तो मुझे साथ अपने पीछे पड़ा
You weren't with me. I was with anti-sim.
Well,
नहीं
there we
देखा
go.
था.
Why
I
you
saw him.
lying? I didn't
Let's go
even
like
leave
this.
electrical.
Vote Moto, then vote me.
I didn't even leave.
अच्छा बात क्या हो ना तुम गए थे इलेक्ट्रिकल से बाहर
हाँ हाँ.
I'm just
मैं मुस्ता के
kidding,
साथ
bro, I
निकला
don't
था
know
and I
the-
saw you.
हाँ मैं एक
I
बंदे के
didn't
साथ-
see
एक
him.
बंदे को देखा था उससे बाहर निकलते हुए
हाँ, I did.
क्या मैं कल
I think it's Moto.
I
Because,
did
it's
go.
possible to
I just skipped
win
the board. You can do
I'll
it.
skip
and
as
come
well.
out in admin.
Fine.
I wonder why
And Saib is dead in admin.
Have your ways.
If it's not him, I'll send me out next.
Hey,
Oh,
got
is
it.
Honestly, like at least 5 seconds passed, and actually 5 seconds before you found the body is when I saw him went. I just did not know who that
I
was,
saw the
and that's why I stayed
I
silent.
saw the camera late. I saw the light on it, but it was too late.
Yeah, if not for the body, I would not have known who it was. Luckily you killed Sype, otherwise I would not have known which of you two it was.
I saw the lights on the camera a little late, but it's okay. बोलना नहीं करो. तुम्हारा काम ना लगाया करो. Especially you.
Yeah. Don't speak if it's. Right, don't speak unless it's an emergency meeting or.
I got 2 skips, and if I one skip, the side will broken his keyboard.
अच्छा चलो तुम माइक साफ कर लो जैसे गेम स्टार्ट हो मैं एटलीस्ट
हाँ.
चुप तो रहना
You can push to talk if you want.
मुझे अंडे वाला बर्गर.
कर लो वो भी सही है माइक साफ कर दो करता हूं
Alright, here we go. Hold on. That guy's doing some garbage task, right? Or not? Reactor meltdown. I gotta say, Ilya Cube does love to do some reactor meltdowns. Is he waiting here to kill me or something? Am I dead? I do feel dead. I do feel very dead. What's he doing? ऊपर क्यों नहीं जा रहा ये? Yeah, there we go. I died. Alright, Yal. यार no 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 report body report body report body report the body
But why were you just standing still there?
मैं press करके बैठा हुआ था.
I was pressing the button.
I was pressing the button. What button I was
Are
pressing?
you gonna say we both were pressing it at the same time?
I was pressing
And
the
you got that again as first. So I guess there are only 3 main suspects.
that was revenge for last game if I didn't show.
What are you talking about?
Rafa, when did you come into the room?
Bancho was
Rafa was
up
just-
on the top, pressing. I came after him, and we both for some reason were pressing the button apparently.
No, two
Rafa
people.
was standing outside the reactor room. I went in. He was not going in the reactor room.
I just
Why were
came
you
from
standing-
cafeteria straight into
Why?
the admin, so I can't
No.
clarify anyone's
Killed it.
position.
Why weren't you running into the reactor if it is cool down?
No.
What?
Why did you go to admin?
No,
I didn't
dude.
know who went to admin.
Me? I
Bobby
just
Sab,
nay,
why?
while I was coming through
Mani-
cafeteria.
Mani नहीं कर सकती, Mani
उसके
is-
बिल्कुल एंड तक when I just entered admin, वो जो भी reactor है था वो खत्म हो गया था.
Where was Saib?
साइड बॉडी किधर थी? साइड ने रिपोर्ट किया.
I know there
हम
were
सारे
2,
लोग थे,
at least
except
1
the
2 people
Saib
down,
and the guy-
and me and
the guy
Ahmad were
died.
up on the top.
In reactor, the body was in reactor?
That's it. Get him. Get him.
रिएक्टर में किधर थी?
Yeah, no.
That's
Ahmad, I
not
think there was
the
2
map.
people beneath us. No, there could not have been Ahmad because he was with me.
That's what I'm saying. Two people went down.
No, you have 5 seconds. Here, 10 seconds.
We're doing that part where we both pressed the button on standstill. Who was down there with the bard?
I don't know. I just saw two people going. I don't know. Blue
I
side.
wasn't down. I was on the right hand of the map.
I went down and you were standing outside, okay? But there was not body. But where's the body, dude?
What's going on here?
No, dude.
Shush, no, we can't talk.
Jesus, that's so fucking dumb. What the fuck did I just see? No, the reactor went down again. Oh my god, dude. Look at this guy standing here doing this task while all of us, all of the crewmates are about to get killed. To not seem suspicious, he goes to his usual spot in the cameras. Damn. Oh, here we go. Something's happening.
Bro, it's side. It's side the
Hi,
body,
hi,
the
hi.
body.
Hi.
How do you know it's right?
Because right now I went bottom, I clicked, there were two on the top. Ilya and Saiban was not pressing the button.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, I
one
was
side,
at the
it was Ilya.
bottom.
I
Yeah,
was on the bottom. You were on the top. Saib and Ilya, two of them on the top. Saib, can you confirm that the rear was standing inside you? Right? So now, which one of you was not pressing the reactor button? I need to confirm.
I was pressing the reactor button.
I was.
Yeah, Saib and Ilya too. One was not pressing the reactor button.
I was pressing the reactor button.
That's my point is, who wasn't pressing? Who wasn't not pressing the button?
It's the German. I'm telling you.
I was also standing at. This is the second randomized with me and Ahmad.
I am voting the German. I am voting the German.
Fuzzy, Hamza.
No,
I have
not
seen
the
that.
German.
You see,
Dhamal.
Not
so
the
I went
Germans.
down, there were two of them, and one was just not pressing the button. I don't know who was basically was side.
Wait a
Chain,
second, wasn't Side down there with the bard
I mean, you can have the
last
same
round?
task in the same
Yes,
area,
yes.
but having
Hey, no, Ilya, hey, but
the
why
still-
German? Why didn't you say the side was beforehand? Why not saying it's side now?
Because I'm not the fucking imposter for starters. And those, I don't know why, but me and Ahmad were pressing the button for the same time. Anyway.
Okay, side. Okay, side. Please confirm it's side. Now we can't talk for a second.
Damn. Damn. Yeah, no, they died.
ऊपर जाएगी बंदा
They died. Yeah, his skill is on cooldown. His skill is on cooldown. No! Report the body! Report the body! Report the body! Oh my god! He got it! He got the body! Jesus!
Why did you go down there when there were two people already?
Shush, you are dead, bro. Dead.
ऊपर से इतनी obvious बात है मेरे हमसे नीचे गए ऊपर एक बंदा प्रेस की नहीं कर रहा साइड में गुस्सा हमसे कोई तो हो रहा था और वैसे साइड पे साइड साइड very small pp small brain very small PP.
He's not even going to defend himself. Wasn't I supposed to wait by now? Last second report. Last second report.
Only 1 second, okay?
Ayo, yaar.
Only 1 second remaining.
I was sure we lost. I was sure we lost.
क्या है?
Oh my god.
Dude. Saib.
Why are you not voting?
Because
She skipped. Suicide of the boat. I guess. Saib, if you skipped, like किसी और को vote करते, you would have won.
मेरे पास ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रही. I couldn't vote for Saib.
Gandhi?
Oh,
Isn't he a pacifist?
oh my god, that was a very pacifist move. That was a pro Gandhi move.
नहीं मैं वोट ही नहीं कर सकता था. वो पता नहीं डार्क से शेड आ गया था क्या उसके नेम के ऊपर फिर उसका क्या पता. उसके नाम
Hamad, back to the main point. You were pressing the button. So was I. I was also scanning.
एक मसाले चुप बोल भी लखनऊ की तस्वीरें देखना बंद करो गेम देख
मैंने साहिब के नाम की वेट किया टाइमर खत्म हुआ है और साहिब के नाम के आगे पता नहीं क्या शेड्स आ गया और मैं उसको वोट ही नहीं कर पा रहा.
Oh damn, it's not Pancho.
Where?
Who
Where's the body? Saib,
Where?
where's
Where
the
is
body?
the body though?
Any sus? Mid okay.
साहिब के अलावा लेफ्ट साइड पे कौन था?
I was in the left.
मैं yeah some Gandhi sus.
Gandhi.
Okay.
Gandhi was in fucking communications. You were the only one on the left side. What do you
No,
mean?
you weren't. You. Yeah, I saw you. You weren't on communication.
Yep.
Yeah, I did see you. I did see you leave through storage, the electrical hall, right?
Yeah, that's what I
Like
saw.
I said,
how are you voting what happened
I got your laptop. Nah. I think right much.
Have you?
I think what happened. Mustafa killed Hamad in Medbay, then went
मैं
in
भी आया हूँ
and came out in electrical.
हो क्या रहा है भले ये तो मुझे बता दो
We were voting Gandhi. He went in, killed Hamad, came out in electrical. You because okay.
Yeah,
But
saw
I
you
Yeah.
was.
in storage, and then you
Yeah,
came out
just
of the
मुझे
electrical
नहीं
hall,
पता
right?
I
क्या हो रहा है
just
just
came-
tell me who to vote
I went from admin
What
to electrical,
Gandhi?
back in front of Rafe, literally
We are voting
outside
Gandhi.
of his side
We are
पे.
voting.
No. I saw you come out of electrical, and I came from
Storage के
admin.
सामने-
I did
admin
not
के सामने
see
क्या
you.
है? Storage है.
Storage.
Not to see you.
हाँ? अच्छा देता हूँ.
Got it.
हाँ देता हूँ ना you. Shit. चीखना बंद करो. दे रहा हूँ यार.
वेरी बिग मोमेंट तुमने एग्जैक्ट इसको बताया कि वेंटे से मुझे मार के वेट करके वहां से इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई निकला। उफ, आखिरी जो तुमने बात की है ना, मेरी दिल को खुश कर दिया
Dude,
मेरा।
मुझे तो कर नहीं सकते थे because I was not there.
तुम कहीं सस कर रहे हो, पता है मुझे तो कि मरा क्यों नहीं है।
Sahil, करा
Sorry.
Sahil? Hello?
Hello,
by the
sir.
button.
You. What's happening?
Gandhi fake station storage.
Sorry.
Oh.
Fake stuff.
Explain.
Okay. Explain yourself.
What the? Fake stuff.
I call Anti-Sim as my witness. I understand thoroughly.
I'm in electrical. I'm not
Oh,
even in fucking
it's
storage.
true if you were doing. Oh,
I'm not even in
Robbie did
storage.
not go out.
Okay.
I'm not
If
even
not,
in
if
storage.
not, if you side, we are the next one. We are getting out. Okay.
This trend
No
is
one's even
both
dead.
efficient and
Alright,
inefficient.
let's vote him.
Yeah, if not Gandhi, then Saib is going out.
Yeah, however, there will be two people wrong if they're wrong about both of them. So, you know,
Then it's always the Jordan.
better hope that it's one of them.
Alright, I'm voting.
Uh,
I'm voting for him.
it's Gandhi, could we get 5 likes on the Bot's video?
हम किसको वोट कर रहे थे?
Gandhi ji ko, the non-violent
Gandhi.
one.
The non-violent one who didn't kill anyone
नीचे दे दो उसको।
Okay, that's what I
and
call
lost the game.
democracy.
I love democracy and I love Hitler. So.
Very. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and hit that bell.
always आप लखनऊ की तस्वीरें देखना बंद करो ना.